she gonna try to address Mariah. Mariah's
Girl,
white.
you
She
lying,
cannot.
bro.
Just shut up. Just shut up while I'm talking.
I like it. No, I like it.
Downgrade real women when you're a nigga.
Right, bitch, what am I downgrading? What you
Wait, hold on, wait, y'all. She said nigga. She said nigga. Oh my god.
Break it up, security, break it up.
Break it up. Break that shit up.
Ugly ass bitch. You been on this till I bitch. My bitch, you lucky bitch.
Hey, wait, no.
I'm like sick and tired of playing with you bitches. I'm ready to fight. I'm ready to squabble, bitch. I'm ready to get in the pain. So who won it? It's no longer talking, so who won it first? I don't give a fuck what the bitch gotta say. If you're not running the pace, bitch, I wanna fight.
Let's get her.
Bitch, wash.
Cartier, you need to run Chula because she just, you hear her to say a nigga and she
Why you hit me? Why you hit me?
I ain't know you was a nigga.
Bitch, I don't know you, bitch. Don't touch me. We can go again. Come on, don't put my hair down. Let me get my hair out. For real, get out my face. Get out my face, bitch. Get out my face, bitch. I just told her to get out my face. Security, let me go. I just told her to get out my face. Let me get my hair. Don't put my hair, bitch. Come on.
Get her. Let's go. Chula, get in there. Chula, get in there.
Did you say you was gonna jump me? Let me know that.
I don't know, but I'm never going back.
We don't do it like that. Just get most of my time. Take on that time.
Why does production keep calling me in this room? What do you want, little girl?
You know what I want. Come on.
Like, I'm not finna keep doing this with you. You're too small.
Bitch, and you're big, and you hit me first.
Oh, okay, so you wanna fight? Okay, come on. I got one round for you, for real. One round.
Come on.
I got one round. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
You wanna come get it? Come on. Next. Done. Next. You done? You good? You good?
No, bitch, you going? Come on.
You good? You wanna go again?
Come on, get down. Come on, get down.
I'm not getting down. Not getting down. She's done. Like, you too small. Like, why you want me to keep whooping you? Come on. Like, you just turn around.
It's another screenshot from EOS clocked it, and it says that Sevyn said that she was going to shit in the baby mouth. Is that true? You want to clear that, like debunk that, or not? Like, what's about that?
I did get a.
Okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Security, do not break him up. Don't break him up. No, stay right there. Don't break him up. This is long overdue. Oh shit. Okay, now security break him up. Cause I don't know there's no blood in my motherfucking gym.
Stop saying to me. I'm dying.
Bitch, let me still fuck your baby, bitch. And I'm
X for seven.
I'm gonna get you my fuck your baby.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ. What he said? Fuck that baby. Ooh, let them get. Ooh, she in there with him. Okay.
Bitch, and I said fuck your baby, and this how you coming? This how you coming? This how you coming?
Break him up. Break him up. That's it.
Let me know when y'all bring Chula down here.
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna bring out Chula. Where's Chula at?
First I was looking for me, bitch, where I go.
Now, come have a seat, y'all. Come have a seat.
What's up?
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm good.
She's standing up. You sitting down.
So you want to sit down? Okay.
Okay, be killed. Okay, be killed. Okay.
You want to look like yesterday? You look crazy, bitch. Look at you, bitch. Look at you. Now look at you. Now come on. Now come on. Now come on. You thought you were head up. No. No. Come on. Come on.
Yeah. Y'all get each other from right now. Right? Bitch, pop with her. Ooh. Okay, break it out. Let y'all gonna redo that. Head up again. Y'all wanna restart?
Next.
We could move these chairs.
Next. Later.
Wait, before I get that though. Before I get that, I'm gonna bring Sevyn out. Sevyn, come on.
Put the water down. No, let me get do not bring that bitch in here yet, cause she gonna try to jump that shit yesterday. Let me get her again.
Okay, simple. Run it. Simple. Okay.
Stop spinning.
You do what she does. Okay.
Stop spinning, bitch. Yeah. Oh my bitch. Next, don't you go see me, bitch. I see you, you fat bitch.
Ooh. Okay.
That ugly orange bitch, who's coming, hoe? Look at you.
Okay, break it up.
Why they jumping me again? I didn't jump you. You ugly ass bitch. Bitch, fuck your daughter too, bitch. Fuck your daughter too, bitch. On the damn house. Both your daughters, bitch. Both your daughters.
Oh, fuck. Leave that bitch down. Blame her. That's it.
You ugly orange bitch.
Bring them upstairs. Ooh.
I did what the fuck I did.
Right.
I did what I did.
That's what she said.
Who you turn up with?
Wait, Mac. Sevyn, take what she don't go. Oh my god, wait, take what she don't go, Sevyn.
Let them refresh. Head up.
Take my purse off. Take my purse off. Your purse, girl, right up on her.
Get her. Oh my god.
Back up. She just sneaky forward. What? Let her go. Security, let her go. Back up. You doing the most. This is a female.
You want me?
Yeah, get her. Take what she don't want to go, Sevyn. Yeah, take what she don't want to go. Oh my god, she just knocked the wind out of that bitch. She just knocked the wind out of that bitch.
I'm not fighting no more.
You did the shit.
You want me to get paid? Yeah. I'm not fighting that bitch no more. Alright, come on, tag me in. Okay, go.
Get her. Yeah, Mac. Get her. Do it.
What the fuck just happened?
Come on, let me go. The whole time Ginger was here, you did not have none of this mouth. I'm so confused. You ain't
Exactly, Lacey.
Wait, hold on.
Lacey, come back. Lacey, come back here. Hey.
You gotta run by a grown man, bitch. Shut up, bitch. You gotta run by a grown man.
Give me my. What is this bitch doing?
Security, watch out. Hey, creeper.
You bitches got beat up.
What you said?
Chula, you need your back.
What's that? Oh, run that cat. Run that cat.
Like that is trifling. You got your ass beat. You try, girl. That's all that matters. Don't even back up.
That's it. No, that's it. You're not fighting no more. That's it. You going? I'm fighting no more. No more. You gotta go one more, girl.
Come on, please.
Oh, one more.
Damn. Our goopy ass goopy. Her baby out. Pick her ass up, security. Pick her ass up.
Hearing me?
I'm not talking to you.
You are. You guys are supposed to be here. So even why you keep even just turn around. Like, you trying to get a storyline off me because you got sent home for being born. You mad at me? You mad at me? What am I mad at?
Jocelyn.
What am I mad at? Be mad at them. Be the bitch that sent you home. Bitch, what?
What is you talking about, bitch?
She gonna need y'all get that, cause she just, no.
I'ma tell you what you looking for. I already said I ain't wanna fight. I already said I ain't wanna fight. Bitch. You doing too much. All that yelling in my face, bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. You not gonna be in my face yelling about shit, bitch. The fuck? On the dead homies, I don't give a fuck all that fake crash out shit, bitch. Ain't go your storyline. You got it. Shut the fuck up. Come fight. Come on.
Get her left. Let's get in there. Let's eat. Let's eat.
My hand, what you mean your hand? Fuck your hand, bitch.
Cool down. You go. I'm not gonna hit her. There go your storyline. I hope you got your camera time, boo. You're not getting no more out of me.
See what I'm saying?
You want that again?
Just let her do that. No. What? No.
It's your bigger than that.
I told you. Bitch, I'm not gonna keep going back and forth with her. I'm not gonna do with her. I'm not. You're too big for her. You're big shit.
That's not brain. You're bigger.
Bitch, I told you.
Security, break it up. Like, what the fuck?
Let's go.
Yeah.
No, break it up. Mariah do her shit bucking like a motherfucking egg on Monday. Break it up.
Laid up in them suitcases. Laid up in them suitcases.
Lacey, what's up?
Laid up.